with my screen. Yeah, maybe just confirm can see my screen.
Yes, I can see.
Okay. So last week's session we basically covered we just did an introduction to tokens, and we said that we're gonna be dwelling more into tokens because I guess that's also where we want you guys to build on ICP, because we don't have a lot of tokens currently, but we just did a default watermelon token. We were using Bitfinity, and we basically did it using hard hat. But yeah, we just built this watermelon token and deployed it as it looked something like this. Yeah. But maybe for more reference for you guys, maybe you can just check out. But we'll also be doing we did hard hat, but we can also do truffle and foundry and also the remix that maybe some of you guys had a challenge with. Let me paste it here on the chat. So you can check out those maybe to learn more about Bitfinity, or maybe if you're building on EVM, maybe you're using Solidity, just check out the documentation there, and you'll just know. Maybe a small thing you should always know about them is for example, for this truffle, the main configuration where you always have to where everything always matters is on the truffle config.js file. For last week we did hard hat, so it's just also the same thing. For hard hat, the main configuration is usually also on the hard hat config.js file. Yeah. Yeah, so check that out. We're not gonna do that today. We're gonna do some few basics. Gonna deal with Bitcoin a bit. So we're jumping from this a bit from the EVM part. A bit we go to Bitcoin a bit, and then yeah, hopefully it's going to be successful. So today we want to deal with Chinky Bitcoin, which is also CKBTC. So probably this session might be, in case the time is not enough, we'll just carry forward and continue where we left last week. So what CKBTC is it's just a twin of Bitcoin. It's now when you always do the introduction session, you always say that internet computer enables us to build smart contracts on Bitcoin. And last year we also saw some bit of let me open it. We also saw some bit of discovery, whereby we had like Bitcoin ordinals and the rest. I think I'm looking for it. It's supposed to be somewhere. Supposed to be somewhere here. Yeah, maybe I lost it. Looking for some documentation about BRC20. Because Bitfinity gives you access to new assets on Bitcoin, but of course on the EVM. So there's BRC20 token, which was launched last year. It's basically like ERC20 token, like on the Ethereum side. But now it's just a replication for Bitcoin. So maybe today we're gonna deal with more of that. And what CKBTC is, like I said, is just a twin of Bitcoin. The only difference is now CKBTC is more faster and more scalable, and it all happens in the Bitcoin network. So Chinky Bitcoin is an IRC20 compliant token that is backed by Bitcoins held 100% on the mainnet. So basically this IRC1 and this IRC2 is just basically this let's say like the replication of tokens under Bitcoin that internet computer has leveraged on it. So CKBTC functionality is provided through two canisters. We have the CKBTC minter And we have something called a ledger, just a CKBTC ledger. But maybe this might be a bit look like it's a bit confusing, but basically what you should just know is CKBTC is a twin of normal Bitcoin. One CKBTC is equivalent to one Bitcoin. Yeah. So I'm just gonna jump here a bit. Maybe here you can just check out. There's some methods here that have been described API endpoints and all, but you're not gonna look at that today. Today we just want to do something simple. What we want to achieve is we want to have fake testnet CKBTC in our wallet. So we can use the Bitfinity wallet, or we can also use the plug wallet. They're just both wallets that are compatible in the internet computer blockchain. So first off, I just want to create a default. Let me just open my terminal. I think I can see this. Just open my terminal and yeah. So I'm just gonna do Command Control Alt T, and yeah, terminal is open. So let's just create a default project. We're gonna use Motoko. Just gonna deploy this. So let me call it Bitcoin. So we're gonna create our default project, and what we want to achieve from it is we first want to get testnet tokens. For some of you guys, when you're building your products, maybe if you built on top of Bitcoin and you want to get free cycles, the process is a bit challenging, but at least now we're gonna get to cover it. So let this one build, and then it's just basically creating a default Motoko project. We just named it Bitcoin. So we just did dfx new. We named our folder Bitcoin. So we're gonna deploy it, but after deploying it, I want us to see how we can create a developer identity, claim cycle tokens, and basically maybe now deploy a simple canister on the mainnet. Most times when we always do our sessions, we always just deploy them on the local testnet. Yeah, but now we want to deploy on the mainnet. But then, like I said, when you're deploying on the mainnet, that means you need some gas fees. That means you're paying for that particular canister. So we are going to deploy on the mainnet, but we are not going to use our real currency. We're just going to use free cycles that hopefully I'm gonna get dispersed with. But even if they don't get dispersed, we're just gonna see how we're gonna maneuver through it. But yeah, so I'm just creating a default project here. It was already created. So let me see, stay Bitcoin. And then let me just open it with VS Code. Yes, so let me close it. Allow me to close this for now. So we have our default Motoko project. We haven't done anything from this. This one just creates itself. Most of you guys at least have know how to create this. As you all know, Motoko has a front end and has a back end on its own. And the main place where we get to define our particular backend canister code is here on the main.mo file. So we're not gonna change this for now, but we're gonna, if successful, if we claim our token successfully, then maybe you can be able to just change this default code to maybe a simple canister code. Yeah. A simple token canister code, to be precise, a token canister code. but for now, let's not change it. So I'm gonna share this document with you guys. I don't know how I'll share it right now, but because it's on private mode. But first of all, I just since we're the whole role here is we want to deploy a simple canister smart contract on IC. That means we are deploying it on the mainnet. So what we need is we need to apply for cycles. Cycles are basically like they're just like tokens on the internet computer that now us developers get to relate to it. Like we were saying, when for example, when you build your DApp and it's live on the mainnet, when you're paying for those services, mostly you're gonna get to pay for them not in ICP tokens, but through cycles. So we're gonna use a coupon code. I don't know if it's gonna work, hopefully. The last time I used it was I let go, hopefully. It's still working, because if it doesn't work, we yeah, if it doesn't work, then probably we have an issue. But before that, we need to create an identity. So I'm gonna create a default identity over here. So I'm just gonna run the command fx new identity, and then yes, fx no fx identity new, and then the name of the identity. So I did it vice versa. So yeah, I'm a bit limited with my screens, so don't worry. So yeah. So the fx identity new. And then maybe I'll just name our identity as Bitcoin, because enter a passphrase for your identity. Let me just name it Bitcoin also. Yeah, so it has created default identity. So this applies also just the same as maybe for those who are experienced with Ethereum, this is just a seed phrase. So also for internet computer, we have a basic seed phrase. So this identity that we're creating an identity because we actually need a wallet, right? Because if we're applying for fake tokens, we actually need the a particular wallet. So first of all, I'm gonna just once you've created this, doesn't mean that you have used it automatically. So for you to actually use it automatically, you're gonna have to at least check a list of what before I had already created like other identities. So I'm just gonna check here. Where is this? Yeah, I'm gonna just do a DFX identity list to see a list of all identities that I have actually created. So the effects identity list. Yeah, so as you can see here, I have some default identities, but I want us to use this. We created is called Bitcoin. So I'm just gonna switch to now Bitcoin. So to switch to that, I'm just gonna run this particular command of the FX identity use, and then the name of the identity. So the FX identity use, and then our identity is called Bitcoin. We just created it. So now we're using our Bitcoin identity. So now we are safe. Yeah. So here is our identity. Here's the seed phrase. You can also check it out. So we need to apply for now the fake fake tokens. Sorry. So we need to apply for the fake tokens. And how we actually get to do it, we're using this coupon code, but we have a cycles faucet. So yeah, so let me just use this. Yes, just see if I can request this. So I'm gonna request for cycles, and of course, to request for cycles, you'll need to actually like go to, okay, you see here when I click it tells you that you can get 10 tokens of free cycles. So get free cycles for testing and deployment of your project on internet computer. So request cycles, a coupon will be dispersed upon request through Discord. Please input a request by doing the cycles for said channel. Of course, this channel on Discord on the Divinity server. So I'm just gonna do this request, and I don't know. I hope it's gonna come through. Usually, you can only no. This is also another disadvantage. You can only request for cycles once. So let me open my Discord over here. I hope that time is still valid. So you see I did this request, and then I'm gonna click it. So that means the bot is ready for me. Yeah, so here you have a cycles bot that will ask you which programming language do you use for canister development. I'll just say Motoko. Yeah. And then in which area are you planning to build? Let me just say this is finance. Which capability features are most interesting to you? I guess let me just say Bitcoin integration. Select at least 3. So I'm just gonna select randomly 3 of them. Just choose this. And yeah, so for how long have you been programming? So this bot is the one that is responsible of giving me the fake cycles. Sometimes it doesn't give, which is always a bummer, because now you have to wait until you have to wait like 24 hours if it doesn't give you. So this is also one disadvantage, because you see with Bitfinity, like last week, we were just getting fake cycles. Now that just getting not fake cycles, fake tokens, fake Bitfinity tokens by just claiming them, and then they just go directly to your MetaMask wallet. But for you to claim cycles that you're using maybe for other token systems such as Bitcoin or the rest, you need to just claim them this long way. So maybe just say this. How did you learn about internet computer? So it just asks you basic basic questions. Yeah. Just say uh, just say learning. Oh, I don't know why it's still asking me the same languages. I'll just choose Rust as Solidity and just default. What is your current what? Just say how many previous experiences. Just choose randomly, maybe some, yeah. So it asks you a long ass question just to give you this, which I really don't understand why. But you're just gonna see. Yeah, so now after you answer all those questions, it asks you this, what's your name? We'll just say email address. My GitHub username is I think it's, if I'm not wrong, it's let me just confirm that. A minute. Because it has to disperse the funds to your particular GitHub username. So I know GitHub changed the naming system. So I just give me a minute. Mine is T small I that's two. Yeah, and then what is your project name or grant ID? Oh, if you're not building it, or don't have okay, leave empty. Okay. Could be a feature tooling. Let me just say, let me just submit, because we don't have a project name and we don't have I've not received a grant. So what are you missing most? Could be a feature, tooling, documentation, tutorials. Okay. Let's open and see. Let me say internet identity. Okay, so fingers crossed it works. I'm hoping. So it tells me thank you for submission. Please consider joining the discussion and suggest new tutorials or rank suggestions. I don't know. Yeah, so okay, so let me check if maybe I got a default message about it. Just a minute. I'm checking my messages to see if the bot has already sent me my free cycles or my email. Just click this for the sake of just being yeah yes, so submit this. Yeah, so I'm waiting to see if it sent me the default cycles. If it hasn't dispersed, then I'm gonna need to hold on a bit. Okay, I'm seeing here it hasn't sent yet. Or let me check my email. So sometimes it comes immediately, sometimes it just it takes a while, but it should look something like go back to this page. Sorry, should look something like this, right? See, for example, if maybe I was using that the coupon code that I had, which I highly doubt if it works, but yeah. So if it's supposed to send me the coupon code so that I put it. So like this one has already been used. So that's why I don't want to use it. But once it gives you that coupon code, once it sends you the coupon code on your usually it's always on Discord, and then you get a confirmation on your email. So I'm gonna be watching out for my Discord to see I'm getting some free coupons. I'm still seeing it hasn't come yet. But usually it will, once you get that code, you'll just click here into the next step, and then of course make sure you have DFX 12. It usually suggests that it want DFX 12s. If you're if your version is below DFX 12, then yeah. And then run this command to claim your free tokens. So you're just basically gonna run this command, and then yeah, it's gonna show you your balance. So that's for that coupon code. Let me see if it's gonna work for that particular coupon code. If I do DFX wallet, but I highly doubt it's gonna work because this one has already been used. So I have to wait for mine to be sent here. Have to wait for mine to be sent. Sorry. Yeah, it's supposed to be yeah. See yeah. Like I remember there was a time I claimed this one. And this is what it sent me. Another time I requested, of course it declined me, but it should look something like this. Your coupon is this, and then now once you get this coupon code is when now you can yeah, when you can now list come here to the faucet place, sorry, here on the faucet, and then insert your coupon code over here, and then now you get to redeem it. So the challenge I'm having right now is waiting for it to give me. Okay, this one hasn't been declined. It's just, this is just a past message. But usually it takes a while. So before it does that, I don't know if it's gonna do it. If it doesn't, I'm gonna see how we're gonna maneuver through it. Let me see if I can still reuse this one. The one it gave me a while ago. So if I put it here, it's supposed to look something like this. So you see, and then you see the FX wallet, I see redeem. So I'm gonna run this command. But there's a but. If the coupon code is not valid, like the ones I've explained to you right now, they're not valid. Even this one, we're just trying to see if and get our around it. My identity was Bitcoin. Let me see. Okay, so it tells me coupon code is expired. So you can't fake these coupon codes. I don't know why it hasn't given me. Usually it takes just a few minutes, but I'm supposed to expect a message here. So I guess unfortunately or fortunately, we're just gonna have to move on because we have like literally 19 minutes. But all you should know about this is the coupon code that it's about to send me. So now since right now it hasn't sent me immediately, we can even carry forward to next week's class. And once it sends me the coupon, I'm just gonna screenshot it to you guys, and then I'm gonna show you that I'm gonna screenshot it, and then I'm gonna insert it here, because what we want to achieve here is we want this we want these free cycles to come inside our identity, because it carries a wallet. That's why the command we're running here is DFX wallet network. I see redeem the coupon code. The coupon code you've put right now has already been used, and the one that I had for on the example also was used. Let me see. Maybe it might be a universal one. Yeah, let me try and use this coupon code, or maybe if okay, I don't know. These coupon codes usually they're just dispersed. They're not dispersed that easily. I think only hub leads are the ones who get like free coupons. Let me try this one, but I doubt if it's gonna work. I don't think it's gonna work. Yeah, even this one refuses. So the only way we can go past this is for me to just wait for the coupon to be sent here by the bot. Yeah, I think if it takes an hour or it takes long, I'm gonna just tell you guys for that. So for now we have no other way. We'll just have to wait. But after that, we were just supposed to just run this command of dfx wallet, and then it gives us. And then when we run this command, like let me just run, when I run this, so it will tell me it has zero cycles. Yeah, now when I run this, it will tell you that get wallet. Yeah, if you try to supply IC the value, yeah, so it just shows me that I don't have any free cycles. So I guess that's a bummer. Yeah, that's a bummer for us for this particular session. So we have no other way around it. I'm just gonna have to wait for this particular bot to send. But I'm hoping in future Bitfinity is gonna, now especially for us developers, is gonna make it possible in a way that the coupon codes come so fast. So these coupons are you'll have to first join this channel, this ICP developer community channel, for you to just do this particular tutorial. So when you join this particular channel, this is now where you get to link up with all developers who are working on the internet computer blockchain. And then where you get to request for your fake cycles is here on this cycles faucet channel. You see, as you can see here, it was already the bot is telling me. So the bot gives it automatically. Thank you for your submission. Please consider joining, blah blah blah. So there's no other way around it. I just have to wait. So what you just need to do is to just type this slash request, and then the bot will generate itself on your own. So maybe, I guess, so that we all go follow each other together, please join this community right now and then request for free cycles, because for you to do this particular tutorial that you're doing, you'll need free cycles. So let me just share this this link right here so that most of you get to join. I guess nowhere. Let me see where I can get this this link for the developer community. Yeah, I think the link I can get it through here. Just use this link. So I'm posting this link on the chat group. Yeah, please join right now. So at least we are not many, so at least I hope you have Discord installed. Just join the channel, and then once you join the channel, actually it will be good if we do all together, so that we see how long this chatbot is gonna take to give us free cycles. As long as it just gives you that coupon code, you're gonna be safe. Okay, I'm trying to see if I can yeah. So once you join it, I hope that link works. If it doesn't work, just tell me here on the chat if it doesn't work, and then I'm gonna see how to go about that. But just don't join this ICP developer community channel, and then of course do the verification. I think the verification is just, you just have to click something, and then come to this cycles faucet channel here where it has been written cycles faucet. Let's see if I can create an invite. Let me, yeah, here's an invite I've created. Why is my, yes, Yeah, so that's the exact link for that particular channel. So come to this particular Cycles Faucet channel and then just type /request. See, the same way I did. And then when you type /request, just fill in the answers that you've seen me answering right now. And then from there we're gonna see by the end of the night or by the end of tomorrow, or I don't know how it's gonna take, how long it's gonna take. We are all gonna receive free cycles. So please do that, at least now, since now it has made us go step by step. At least now we'll just have to do it, just have to go with the pace of the bot. But in future, maybe we can since we're devs, we should look for a way that someone doesn't have to come here, claim from the bot and then wait for the bot for a long time, because now you see it has actually has put us down. We were supposed to do this tutorial and claim, but we can't claim because we can't claim the cycles because the bot has not given us that coupon code. And that coupon code, we can't also force it. Or maybe we can. No, we can't. Do you want me to start guessing coupon codes over here? No, let me just not do it. I'm just gonna wait for the particular bot to send me. And then the next steps that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come here to this I'm just gonna click here on faucet Cycles Faucet. Let me also click let me also just give you guys this link. Yeah, so once you do that, come to this particular link, and then the coupon code that you're going to receive, just click next step and then put that coupon code that you're gonna be sent by the bot. Well, when mine comes, immediately I'm gonna screenshot it and just tell you guys that mine has come and we can continue. This session was particularly intended to be a two-way session. So since we've been a bit since we have to wait for the coupon code, it's okay because we're still gonna do the same thing next week. What we want to achieve from all of this. So once you get your coupon code, you'll just click next. Okay, let me just click put a default one. Once you get a coupon code, you're just gonna click next and then next, and then yeah. So this is what you're gonna be running to make sure that your wallet has free cycles. And then you're gonna run this to just see the number of cycles. So it's supposed to give me something like this, like you have 10 cycles, which is equivalent to this, and yeah, for now I can't go past that, which is okay, because at least yeah, step by step is gonna be okay. So after that, yeah, after we do that, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna deploy it on the mainnet. Once we get our coupon code, which we haven't received right now, but at least it has made me now make you guys join the ICP developer community here. And once you join it, just come to the Cycle Faucet channel and just do what I did right now. Yeah, so one or another, I think it's a win-win for it, but we have no other option but to wait. Mine, just waiting. Thank you for your submission. I'm just gonna wait for my coupon code and then we continue with this tutorial. So once we do that, we get the coupon code and claim and have our free cycles and deploy. We are now gonna go to, we're going to mint CKBTC. The whole point of this tutorial is we want to, since it's about CKBTC, we want to mint and transfer CKBTC with testnet Bitcoin. Yeah. So that, since now we don't have free coupons, or we don't have a coupon right now, I'm gonna have to just say pause for now. At least that small step that I've shown you guys, just do it on your end. Join the developer community for Internet Computer. Go to the Cycles Faucet channel and then just type /request. Just type /request and then follow the bot, and yeah, just wait for your coupon code to be coming in any time. And then from next week, we are gonna continue. We are gonna just deploy. We're gonna deploy. We're gonna change this particular code, the Motoko canister that we built. We're gonna change this to be maybe a token, something, and then yeah, we're gonna deploy it on the mainnet. And then once we deploy it, now we're gonna mint and transfer CKBTC with testnet Bitcoin. Maybe another thing that you'll need is you might need to install this Electrum, because BitPay has an issue, but personally I've used Electrum, and I'd also advise you guys to just to download Electrum. So let me just paste the link for here. So today's session and next week's session, you're gonna be dealing with Bitcoin. So also download this. This is for the sake of next week's class. We're gonna claim free testnet Bitcoin that now we're gonna use to make it. What we want to achieve in the whole general cycle is we want to, let me show you, we want to have our wallets, have fake CKBTC, both our Bitfinity wallet and our plug wallet, as you can see here. This one has like chain key testnet Bitcoin 0.001, and this other one has like 0.00002 CKBTC. So that's what we want to achieve. We want to send that from one wallet to another wallet. At the moment, we can't because we still don't have our coupon, but I guess we have to be patient. So I hope this has been fruitful. Today we are finishing early because we have another session after this. Yeah. So does anyone have any question? So far, so good. Today, at least we haven't gone deep or any complication. You guys are just going to join the channel, and just claim your faucet. In fact, for me to know that you claimed your faucet, I'll just come here and on the channel, I'm gonna see like this user. If I know you, I'll know you're this particular user. So please do that. Maybe if you're not on Discord also, maybe this is a time that you'll get to be on Discord. So that wraps up our session. I can see then there's no other question for now. So this is just session one. Next week we're gonna do.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hi.
yeah.
So
Christine asked.
I've raised my hand. I don't think you can see me. I have a question.
Oh, sorry.
So in token creation, do you like need to do all of that, or we can just write the code from scratch and create our own token?
Yeah, you can write the code from scratch.
Okay.
You can write the code from scratch. But even if you'll create your tokens and you'll need to deploy, sometimes you might need to use cycles, and you'll just have to use the long way that I'm using. But the code part here, we're gonna deal with it next week. We're gonna create a default token code with Motoko. For now, we are a bit let's say we're a bit shorted because of the coupon that we are waiting for, so that we get our free cycles. Yeah, but you can create even with Rust. You can even use Rust. For Rust, it's actually even probably easier for some of you guys. Actually, even for you, since you use Rust, I think it might be easy. So we're just gonna deal with Motoko, but any of them works. Yes. Maybe any other question? So far, so good. Yeah, so guys, join the channel and also download this Electrum. Download Electrum for us to get fake Bitcoin. Yes. And also get coupons. So I guess this can be a homework. A homework for today is last week the homework was just get to interact with the approve function, the account function, and all on what we deployed. But this week's homework is just just get free coupons. First of all, before you even get a free coupon, don't forget this step that we did. Create a new identity. Create a new identity over here. Create a new identity. You see here we did the FX identity new, as we called it Bitcoin. Call yours any name. Get a seed phrase, and then do check a list to just confirm that there's no other identity you created, and then use that particular identity you created. Don't forget the password. So just like ours was Bitcoin, just use. Once you're there, now come to the gaining of the free cycles, join the Discord community, and then get a free coupon. And then just click next steps, enter the coupon code you put here, next, and then and then make sure your identity over here has free cycles, free fake tokens. Yeah. I don't think that's a complicated, I don't think that's complicated to most of you, hopefully. Yes, so yeah, so we are done. It's even 8 p.m. Yes, thank you for attending this session. If any of you has another question, just holler. Even after the session. Yeah.